Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to later using vegetables. So this is the fabric we're going to use for the style. So as you can see, I've folded it into two already. Or looking at it very well, you know I did not fold it exactly. I folded it by just folding so that the shape will come out too. See how the folding is. This side is smaller than the down part. And from the style, you can also see that the upper part has a polka dot net. So we are going to remove some pinches for the net to fit. So from the measurement, I'm going to start from 7 inches. So here I will not be measuring the shoulder, it's from the net that will measure the shoulder. So my measurement will start from 7 inches. Then from 7 inches, we'll get the bust point of the person. The person's bust point is 11 inches. So the bust point. Then the under bust. We don't even need to measure all those things because it's a free dress actually. So from this bust measurement, we can actually get the whole measurement. The only thing is that make sure that when you are folding, like folded enough, that'll be very free for the person. So from the bust, you can just use your ruler and connect direct to the down part. So this is the bust point. Just use ruler to make sure it's straight enough. And this is the 7 inches that I started from. Then from the 7 inches, I'll get my full length. This person's full length is 43 inches. This is 43. So I'll just add 1 inch for the hemming. So from here, you can see this place is not straight. So from here, I'll just connect it to this part so that it will be a bit straight. Even though the down is not supposed to be very straight because of the style. I'll just connect it like this. And for the down folding, you just fold it as wide as you want it, depending on how free or how wide the person wants it. As for this one, we'll have about 21 inches on fold. So by the time we show like 1 inch seam allowance or 1.5 inch seam allowance, it will be like 20 inches on fold or 19.5 on fold, depending on how you want it. So from here, this is the bust point, remember, and the round bust of the person is 40 inches. So 40 divided by 4. Remember, all your circumference measurement is divided by 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches. So these are 10 inches. Then you add whatever seam allowance that you're comfortable with. Here I'll be adding 1.5 inch seam allowance. Then I'll just connect it straight to that 7 inches that I started my measurements from. Then from here, I'll just connect it down to the down measurement. As you're coming down, you open it. You'll be opening it down to reach the width of your normal measurement. It's as easy as that, very simple. Then this is, I hope you're seeing the chart very well. This is how it looks like. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Then just fold and place for the back. You can see, don't really have much to measure on this one. This direction we measured was just the bust measurement. That was what you got down to this place. So now I've cut this one out. See how wide it's looking. So this is how the shape is. This is how it's supposed to be. I'll just fold it back. Cut exactly the same thing for the back before I now cut the upper part, which is the next polka dot. As you can see, I've used the front that I got before to cut it back. You just need to cut exactly the same thing. So I've cut it out now to front and back. That's all good. Okay, so let's proceed to cut the next polka dot for the back. So the next we'll be using the upper part. So just fold it into two like this. Just fold it gently in the neck and should push on both sides. So just to get the shoulder measurement. Remember from the fabric we remove 7 inches from the fabric. So here, we're going to be, let's measure this one so that we see. So this one is about 9 inches. We're going to be making use of about 8 inches. Right. So first of all, get the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches. Shoulder is divided by 2, so 16 divided by 2 is 8 inches. I'm not adding anything because neck is stretchy, so I'll just do exactly 8 inches for the shoulder. So the length 8 inches. So that by the time we join half inch to the fabric and join the shoulder half inch to the 7 inches that we remove. So that's why we're doing 8 inches. And for the shoulder slope, come down by 1 inch. Then the width of this piece, just make sure that it's up to the bust measurement. So that when you're joining it, it's better that it's bigger than what you need, so that you trim it out than being smaller. So this one, I'll just connect it without down parts. Okay, so just manage. Next is always like that. When you're marking with chalk, it doesn't really show like that. So for this shoulder slope, just connect it to the neckline. The neckline we're going to be using 4 inches neckline. The width of the neck 4, and the depth of the neck 3.5 for both front and back, so that the person will be able to bend it. So connect it to that neck width. Then make a curve to meet the neck depth. Let me see that's why I see it very well. It's even me that's marking it, I'm not seeing the chart very well. So this is that I know what I'm doing. See the neck. Just push the shoulder slope. So when you cut it out like this, remember the length we are looking for. It's 8 inches. So we'll reduce this one small because it's a bit longer than 8. Don't mind the width, that's how it looks. Another part is just to match the center middle so that it will be easier for you to fit on the fabric. Also match the center middle of the fabric you're fixing. So this is where it looks. Everything you need to do to join the shoulder with half inch, both of them, then turn the neck with bias and join the fabric. So, then the remaining part of the hand, the sleeve still has part of the neck on it. So let's cut that. Fold it out so that you need to not put it in. Fold once for the both sleeve so that I cut it once. So we're using the full length of the sleeve is about 23, but for the net it's just about 10 inches for the net. Then the fabric will continue the rest of the length. So 10 inches. Then the round sleeve for that 10 inches is about 13 inches. 13 divided by 2 is 6 inches, 6.5 inches. Then you add your 1 inch seam allowance. Just cut this upper part for the fitting at the ankle part. Just measure to make sure that the width is enough for the, because remember this net is stretchy. So this width is okay for what we need. So just curve it out. For the sleeve, don't mind the neck, that is how it is. And meet it to the same allowance for the neck. Cut out. Cut gently for the neck and gently. Upper part of the sleeve. You might see there's fabric on the down part. So let me show you the fabric of down. So this is fabric for the down part. As you can see, I've already cut it out. Remember I said full length is going to be like 23. But this gathers, you can squeeze it in. Looking at the picture, you see how you fold it in or do it however you want. So I just cut about 15 inches width. Then use the full length of the entire of the length. That's the whole 45 inches. I use it. So that by the time you gather it, will give you that fluffy and full look. You just need to gather the upper part and fix it to the net. Then this place will be gathered and fix it to the net. So it will be full. Then this place you just fold it and put elastic and draw it so that it will be full. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks guys for watching. Please, if you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and like, comment this video. Thank you. See you. Bye.